fancy seeing you here out at the track.
Yeah, here we are. Another day, doing something out on the track, mate. Just the usual.
Yeah.
No, it's not quite the usual, is it? Something a little bit different today.
It's every day of the week for us, right? I wish.
We've been out here a few times, but we are out here today with Hi-Octane
Yep.
Motorsport and Photography. Jump on their site and check it out. If you want to come to these events, they do several throughout the year.
Or if you want to get some octane
apparel. Yeah.
You've got the, I think no limiter, is that?
All limiter.
All limiter, that's what it is.
All limiter. That's what it's about. So we're going to go out and take the ute out today and see if we can, I don't know, hand out some chops.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get some. We might get handed a few.
That's all part of the fun, though.
Just fun. Get out there. We can drive it like we want to, like we can't on the road. Yeah. So make sure you like, subscribe our videos, and have a look at some of the action. Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it.
Mal, good to see you out here, mate. You've got the shirt on, so you're the new host.
I'm sponsored.
Yeah, sponsored.
Yeah,
We've sponsored the AMG.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Mate, you're out here in the AMG. Now, you've been on before with the Merc.
Yeah,
but
the
not
old
this,
one.
But not this one.
No.
Mate, this is the daily?
No, this is the daily one, yeah. So, actually went really well today. I was surprised. So,
yeah.
I chopped a couple of red Commodore Utes out there. There was
Which one was
beards
that?
flying out. I don't know.
Some bearded guy on a
yeah,
red
I was ahead of him. I couldn't see him in the...
Yeah, it's too far in front. That'd be right.
Yeah.
Mate, it does go quick.
It did. It
doesn't
went really well. Yeah.
And I think you were surprised yourself, weren't you?
I did. Yeah, I really was surprised. The gear changes. Yeah, it's just took. So as well, it's pretty quick and light. So
yeah,
but no, it was really good. Great fun. What a day.
Yeah, is this your first track day?
It is absolutely. Yeah, apart from sideways with my son.
Yeah, on the drift.
Yeah, this way going up a straight.
Bit different.
This way. Yeah.
Yeah, and what do you reckon? Recommend it for anyone? Get out and have a go.
Absolutely fantastic. Yeah.
Like you've come out. This is a stock.
This is stock. It's about the only stock one here, I think.
Yeah.
But some of the cars were just awesome. But it was really good. Yeah. Absolutely, really enjoyed it.
And even being stock, you still chopped a few out there, including that red Ute.
Yeah, the red Ute. Yeah.
I think that was when Sally was driving.
No.
No, you sure?
No, I think she was actually quicker.
Oh, that'd be right. Everyone told me that.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's not true. I think everyone's just taking a piss, surely.
Yeah, I don't know, but the guy was just had a beard and he had a really hot chick sitting next to him. But he got shot. But no, it was really good fun. And actually your car sounds sensational.
Yeah.
Like really, it just because. When in front of it sounds not as good, but when I was behind it, which, So.
Yeah, you need to spend more time behind.
It sounds so cool, but some of these cars were awesome. And some of the sleepers, like that Corona, the Honda, just insane.
They were, weren't they?
Yeah.
And there was a couple of people pushed them a bit too hard, but...
Lots of breakages.
But,
lots of breakages.
That's track days.
Yeah.
Stick to your limits or know your car or be prepared to break it.
Yeah, no, it was good.
Send it till you bend it.
Yeah, exactly. So.
All right, mate. Good to see you again. And love seeing you in the shirt.
Yeah, fantastic. Excellent. Well done, Sally.
Hey guys, here's my mate Barry. Get over and subscribe to his channel, The Aussie Car Guy. You'll see a lot of the events that we're at as well as the ones that we can't get to on your channel, won't we?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's all. I'll try to do other events as well, and I'm trying to do the same events as you guys do. So yeah,
we all got a passion in it. So get over and give him a follow as well, The Aussie Car Guy.
Thanks, guys. Cheers.
How'd you go? Did some laps?
Yes, I did some laps. It was good. It was fun.
What do you reckon? Anyone could do this?
Anybody could do it. Grandma could do it.
Get out here and have some fun.
Have some fun. It's tons of fun. It was awesome. I had, no track, never done track before, and it was great fun.
Awesome. No worries. How's getting on camera as well?
Terrible. I hate it. Absolutely hate it.
Good stuff.
How you going, Dave?
Good, mate. Good. I know you love being on camera. I just that's the only reason I come to talk to you was just to just to do that.
Bring it on me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mate, we're telling everyone to get on your site there because you've got all the range of apparel and stuff happening on there as well. Tell us about it.
We've got the brand new Octane range out there. That's our clothing range. We do hats, shirts, key rings, stubby coolers, basically everything for your normal merchandise and everything like that. So sort of mostly burnout inspired, but we're starting to step into the more street car style stuff as well. So yeah,
perfect. And people want to do these lap events, but we're going to have 4 on next year.
Yeah, we've got 4 events on next year in March, July, August and November. So cars are limited to 110 cars per event. $60 if you get in early, $60 entry for drivers, $20 for passengers, 90 minutes on track, and you get all drivers get a hot brekkie at the end of it.
It's pretty good. Definitely good. The 90 minutes is a fairly long time.
It is, and especially when the good thing about our event is there's no queuing up like there are at other events, so you can literally come off and go on as much as you want, and you can just let your car cool down, check out the other cars, and the best thing about it's all with other like-minded enthusiasts, and no helmets or long clothing required, so it's excellent. So
all right, get on it, guys, and get on it quick because it does sell out. This one was sold out, so don't wait. When you see the events come up, jump on there.
Awesome. Thanks, Dave. Cheers.
Overtakers, that was Morning Mayhem. Out on track, doing some laps in the Ute. What'd you go in?
Oh, the Centura.
Centura?
Yeah, that was good fun.
Yeah?
The old grandpa sleeper.
What's it running?
Yeah, something supercharged.
But you had fun.
Oh, lots of fun.
Yeah, lots of laps. Sally got out there in this, obviously, and enjoyed that. And I did a few laps. Did you come for a passenger lap? And
Yeah, that was good fun.
yeah,
It was an enjoyable day.
we got chopped and we gave some chops. I think we chopped that AMG a few times.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't listen to what he tells you. Mal's lying. He had it in hairdresser mode, didn't you, Mal? No, great day, great event, and I recommend anyone just get out here, get your car off track, and have a bit of fun.
Get your car on track, not off track.
Oh yeah, off the road. Yeah, that's what I meant. Ha! Whoops. All right, let's sign off.
Yeah, hang on. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video and share it out with all your friends. Jump on the website. Check that out. overtakinglane.com.au.
Yeah, get on the website. All the events are on the website. You can find out what's happening this weekend by jumping on that and hitting the events tab. Or grab a shirt and help support the show. All right.
See you in the next one.
Stay in the right lane. See you in the next one again?
I already did.
No, but I didn't hear it because I had the microphone over here.
In the next, see you then.